Have you ever wondered why some businesses are having hundreds of likes and booking, while others struggle? In this video, I'm going to show you how to design simple but professional social media posts that you can use to promote your sales or make adverts on your phone and helps you to attract more customers. If you are seeing this face for the first time, I am Lawal Kudirat. I teach practical skills that you can use to make money, grow your brand, and expand your business. If this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like and share, and follow me for more business tips. Now let's go to our ChatGPT. Let's go. Now we are in ChatGPT. We are going to use ChatGPT to create our social media posts. We are going to give ChatGPT the information that we want to use. So I will prepare the prompts that we are going to use to create the image for the post. After you've given the necessary information that ChatGPT is going to work on, click on this blue arrow pointing up to generate the prompts. Now this is the prompts. You read it to see how perfect it is. Copy the prompts and bring it back to this plus sign here on ChatGPT. Paste. Then do the necessary correction if there is any. If there is no correction, click on this blue arrow pointing up again for creation. Beautiful. Your social media post is ready. So you can use this to promote your business or to advertise any products. So you are giving 50% discount off any wagon that you sold for media sales. So the next thing now is to save it in your gallery. Save. Now let's promote another niche. Let's advertise this skincare products together. You give the necessary information like your brand name, your brand color, the discount that you are giving to your customers, what the product does, you write it there. What are the benefits they will derive from the product that you are promoting, you write it there. Then you let ChatGPT prepare the prompts. Now that ChatGPT has generated the prompts, you copy the prompts, paste it back, now before you give instruction to create image, you click on this plus sign to import the product you are promoting. Go to your gallery, click on picture, go to your gallery to bring the picture of the product you are advertising. This is the product. Now the product is here. Look at necessary correction that you want to make there. Now our post is ready. Look at it. You can use this on any of your social media to advertise your products, especially for those that are in dropshipping. If you are into dropshipping business, learn how to create social media posts so that your own post will be different from other people's posts that you are in the same niche. Okay, so once you know how to create your own social media post, okay, your own post will be different from others that they posted in the group. Look at this. This is the normal picture in the group. I picked this from the group and I use it to create this for my social media post. Isn't this beautiful? This is beautiful. This will be different from others with my own brand name. So let me know if you'll be doing this. The next thing is press long, then save it to your gallery. You can use your own color. Use your brand color. This is my own brand color. Thank you. If you have watched up to this, I appreciate you. Feel free to subscribe, like and share, and follow me for more business tips. Bye bye.